In the face of increasing safety and congestion problems, transportation agencies are looking towards technology to provide innovative, cost-effective solutions to existing challenges. Alternative forms of transportation are an important component to reduce individual vehicle travel, and public agencies are seeking incentives to encourage bicycle transportation. Powerful smartphone technology now resides with the majority of our population. Kimley Horn, in partnership with the City of Austin, has developed an exciting new solution that leverages smartphones in conjunction with our existing KITS ATMS functionality to help improve the safety and efficiency of bicycle travel. Here's how it works. Location-based information is provided every second from a registered user's Android or Apple iOS device. The app communicates coordinates and velocity so that the system is aware of an approaching cyclist well in advance of the intersection. As the bicyclist enters a city configurable detection zone, a call is placed at the intersection as the user hears an audio confirmation. Current operation requires the need to stop, dismount bike, press the pedestrian button, then wait for service. Once the light changes, unnecessary time is provided to clear the intersection, creating additional inefficiency. Here's a real example of the solution in action. Simply start the app in advance of beginning the bicycle trip and watch the results. This innovative pilot project demonstrates the value of leveraging current technology to improve the safety and efficiency of bicycle transportation. Efficiency is enhanced by decreasing travel time while collecting valuable performance metrics. This enables the city to further understand demand and refine system performance. We envision applying this cost-effective solution to connect other modes of transportation with existing infrastructure. This includes individual vehicles, pedestrians, and transit. This is just one example of what our firm is able to achieve through collaboration and partnership with our clients. At Kimley Horn, we want you to expect more and experience better.